Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we have one very interesting question from Harvard MIT Math Tournament 2017. Equation is x cube minus 8 equal to 16 times cube root of x plus 1. And we are going to find all real solutions. So let's get started by writing our equation x cube minus 8 equal to, we have 16 which we can factor 8 times 2. Then we'll write cube root of x plus 1. Now we know that 2 can be written as cube root of 8 times cube root of x plus 1. Now we can club these two cube roots and we'll write here 8 times cube root of 8 times x plus 1. And in LHS we have x cube minus 8. Now we will consider x cube minus 8 equal to 8 times cube root of 8x plus 8. Now it's substitution time. We will consider this radicand 8x plus 8 equal to y cube as we have cube root here. So we will get our equation x cube minus 8 equal to 8 times cube root of y cube, which is y. And from this substitution equation, I can write y cube equal to 8x plus 8. Now we will subtract 8 from both sides. We will be getting y cube minus 8 equal to 8x. Now we have one new system of equations. Here I will subtract second equation from first one. So I will write x cube minus 8 equal to 8y. Second equation is y cube minus 8 equal to 8x. Let's subtract second equation from first one. Plus and minus 8 will be over. We will write x cube minus y cube in left hand side. And 8 is common, so y minus x in the RHS. This will be equal to minus 8 times x minus y. We'll write all the terms to LHS. So x cube minus y cube plus 8 times x minus y equal to 0. Now we can use difference of two cubes identity. So we will write x minus y times x square plus y square plus xy plus 8 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we will write either x minus y equal to 0 or x square plus y square plus xy plus 8 equal to 0. Now from our first equation, we are going to get x equal to y. Now we have to solve our second equation. X square plus y square plus xy plus 8 equal to 0. Now I will subtract 8 from both the sides. So we can write x square plus y square plus xy equal to negative 8. We are going to multiply both sides by 4. So here we'll multiply with 4. In LHS we will get 4x square plus 4y square, which we can write y square plus 3y square. Then we have 4xy, and in RHS we have minus 32. Now from first three terms of LHS, we'll write this is perfect square of 2x plus y plus 3 times y square equal to negative 32. Now in real numbers, sum of two squares, it cannot be negative as we have LHS positive, RHS is negative. Positive number cannot be equal to negative number. So this is only possible when we are going to get complex solutions. So we will write here solutions must be complex. So we will reject this equation. So the accepted equation would be x minus y equal to 0. From here we are going to get x equal to y. Now we will write our cubic equation. There we are going to replace y with x. Equation was x cube minus 8 equal to 8y. Now x is equal to y. So we can replace our y with x. We will get x cube minus 8 equal to 8 times x. Let's write all the terms to LHS. X cube minus 8x minus 8 equal to 0. Now we will use method of factorization. We can write x cube minus 8x minus 8 can be written as 8 minus 16 equal to 0. Now we will write x cube plus 8. 8 is 2 cube. Then we have minus 8x minus 16 equal to 0. We can use sum of two cubes identity here. We can take minus 8 common over here. So we will write x plus 2 times x square plus 4 minus 2x. Then we'll take minus 8 common. In bracket we'll get x plus 2. RHS is 0. Now we will take x plus 2 overall common. So we will get x plus 2 in one bracket times x square minus 2x plus 4 minus 8 equal to 0. Or we can write x plus 2 times x square minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Now we will apply product 0 rule. So we will be writing two equations. Either x plus 2 equal to 0 or x square minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Now we have to solve these two equations. So from first equation, we will get x equal to minus 2. Now we will solve our second equation, x square minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. We'll use completing the squares method. So we'll write x square minus 2x in LHS and we will take 4 to the RHS. Now we are going to add 1 to both sides so that it will complete one perfect square in LHS. We will write here this is x minus 1 whole square and in RHS 4 plus 1 is 5. Now we will take square root both sides and we will write x minus 1 equal to plus minus square root 5. Now we have to add 1 to both sides to get our remaining two solutions. We will get 1 plus minus square root 5. So in total we have three real solutions. If I will write here x1, x2, x3, then I can write x1 equal to -2, x2 equal to 1 plus square root 5, and x3 equal to 1 minus square root 5. So we have three real values. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.